Good morning. Today, we're going to celebrate Thanksgiving a little early with a little Thanksgiving Prezi. All right, so let's go to, first we're going to go to Moodle. All right, we'll click on Thanksgiving Prezi. That's where our assignment will be. All right, our instructional video. All right, so let's just hop right to Prezi. All right. Okay, so we're going to log in. Remember, same login we used last time. mcourtright at New Hope. 3c.org, right, and then password again is 888. Okay, we're logged in. Today, what we're going to do a little different is we're going to learn how to group and frame items in our Prezi for today. All right, it'll come in handy when we're trying to organize things for a presentation, so it's not kind of all thrown together in pieces. All right, so let's click on New Prezi. We're going to tell this first initial, last name, and then Thanksgiving menu. All right? Never too early to start celebrating Thanksgiving. My favorite holiday. All right? Gotta love the food. Description. Creating a menu for our Thanksgiving feast. How do you spell feast? Yeah, there we go. Create new Prezi. Okay, as we wait for it to load up. Take a little sip of coffee there. Okay, so we're just going to select blank as our template. All right, we don't want to use any of the formatted templates in there already. Okay, so what I want you to do and what I'm going to do, and you don't have to follow me to a T, but I'm going to create a Thanksgiving menu for my feast. All right, so let's start. I'm going to start in the middle. Okay, right, turkey. All right, I'm just going to list all the items and then show pictures of stuff that I'm going to have at my Thanksgiving dinner. All right, so turkey's going to go right in the middle. I might save that one for last, though. We'll come back to that. Okay, again, to just add text. I'm just gonna click wherever I want to put my text and draw it in there. So let's do vegetables right here. Vegetables. Okay. Let's do starch. Other. Okay. And then we'll follow up with some dessert, I guess. Okay, so, well, guys, what we're going to do is you're going to go to Google Images, find pictures of food items that you want to put down for your Thanksgiving menu. All right, I already pre-downloaded pictures from Google Images, so I'm just going to click on images and start pasting them in there. So I'm going to click on. Actually, before we start putting those images in, we want to put a background image for our Thanksgiving feast. So in order to do that, I'm just going to right-click right on my Prezi, click on Change Background. All right. Under where it says 3D background, I'm going to click on Upload. All right. And then I'm going to put this background. It's called Happy Thanksgiving that I found on Google. Okay. There we go. All right, that looks pretty cool. We'll click Done. All right. Okay, so I might go in and change this text to like a white color. There we go. Okay. Just something that goes along better with the whatever background image you put. So. Let's zoom out a little bit. There we go. Or just double click on there to, sometimes it gets a little stubborn. There we go. All right, so white. And then I'll also make that one white. Excellent. All right, so let's start inserting some photos, shall we? All right. So I'm going to click on Images, right, from File. All right. Let's start with our vegetables. Green beans in there. I just went and downloaded a whole bunch of pictures first, and then I started putting them in there, so I'll give it time to load up. Okay, it takes a little bit. So I'm going to make this smaller. And we're going to hit that minus button. Okay, then I'm just going to move it under here. All right. Add a little text next to it. Let's make sure we have a text that we can see with our background. Green beans. That's all right. I'm going to type it right over there because we have the ability just to move it. There we go. Let's make that a little smaller. All right. I'll make this smaller because that's going to just kind of be like one of our labels for that photo. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to continue to do the same thing, inserting pictures and labeling them as you see right there. All right, so we'll pause.